Excited to do part 4 of building an app with no code. We in our last video we set up authentication, sign up, and yeah, we got all that squared away. What I want to do now is I'm gonna focus on. We're gonna skip creating this onboarding page here. Do that last, just because it's gonna make my file load. This is gonna be a lottie lag. I mean, it's gonna be a lottie animation, so it's gonna make it lag while I'm designing Adalo. So I'm gonna wait. What we're gonna do instead is we're gonna create these 3 pages here. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So first off, I want to make sure that this is this color. Yes, it is. Okay, perfect. Alright, so we're going to make a custom tab bar, and we're going to make sure to take this, and we're going to come in here, we're going to edit the styles. Can I make this like, I'm going to bring it down here. Okay, and we're going to make this like a 64 height. Bring this right in here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and drop an image, or what the, I don't get image. Okay, I make this like, let's do 40 by 40. Okay, and let's see how this is gonna look. So I exported all my icons. So we're gonna do home blue, and okay, so maybe if we make it just a little smaller, that smaller, maybe go. Okay, so let's see how it looks on a white background. It's a little blurry, so I'm gonna see something. Wonder if JPEGs will work better. Let's see what this looks like. That looks worse. Maybe PNG 3. Okay. Ah, there we go. There we go. Much better. Okay, so that's pretty clear. Okay, so then what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this guy, bring him here like this, and then we're gonna do something like this. Let's actually bring this in the middle here. And we're gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, bring this in like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so this guy is gonna be the plus, and this guy needs to be just a little smaller. Okay, and actually we want to grab you, and I might have to just they're just a little too big for me. this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's about right. Perfect. Much better. The plus needs to just be a little smaller just because Adalo does not make styling easy, let me tell you. Okay. So we go ahead and what we're going to do is we're going to make it the background of this tab bar the same. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to group these. 10 bar 1 button create button home, and it's going to be button settings. Okay, and then we're going to need a header up here. It's going to be about 28, bold, 22 actually. 22. Okay. Oh, by the way, we want to make sure that this is fixed at the bottom. And just move home. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add a custom list. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Computer's terrible. Okay. Bring this in here like this. Actually, extend it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to delete this guy. And what we want to do first is we want to get this down. 330 by 54. With 0 shadow. Background of this. And corner radius of 12. Okay. Here. Okay, perfect. Now, what we want to do is bring this right here in the middle. Line this up. Okay, so we have this, and what this is going to be, we're going to need to create a database. Okay, and this is going to be tasks. So what's going to happen is this is going to be a true false. So completed. Okay. And then it's going to have a, we can call this task. Actually, priority. Oh, no. We're actually going to delete this. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a collection, and it's going to be priority. Okay. And we're going to add a couple records in here. High priority. And it's going to be low priority. Okay. And then the task completed, name, that's all we need, right? Yeah, okay, that's all we need. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a relationship. We're going to bring it to user. So user can have multiple tasks. A task belongs to one user. That's what we want. So click done. Task owner. Okay, and then we're also going to create a relationship to priority. Priority can have multiple tasks. A task belongs to one. A priority can only have one task. A task can have multiple priorities. I'm gonna have to test this, but I'm almost positive it's this guy. Task priority. Okay, so then we're gonna come back to here. It's gonna be a list of tasks, and we're gonna add a filter. Completed is false. And we're gonna come in here, we're gonna add a text. Bring this to probably like here. And we're gonna make sure this is kind of small. Okay. And it's gonna have to be multi-line. And then we're going to, let's see, 8, 16. Okay, so that's all lining up. And what we're gonna need to do next is erase this. And it's gonna have to be, it's gonna have to be, get back to the database. This might be the wrong tag. To users. Let's try this. So I'm gonna test this, and I'm gonna test sign in. I'm gonna see if I can test this real quick. So we are okay. Let's see. Okay. I'm stupid. Email is going to be other input email. Password is going to be full name is going to be name. And we don't need username. So I don't know why this is. Oh, it's deleted. Okay. So let's try this again. Do I have a record already? Delete that. Let's try this again. Perfect. Okay. Okay, that's weird. There we go. Okay. Oh, whoops. Okay. And now this actually has to be moved to home screen. Okay, almost done, guys. Sorry. Okay, so I have no task, right? So logged in users. Okay, so let's create a task. Testing. High priority. User connection. Yeah, okay. Okay, so it shows up. Perfect. Okay, so let's move this over. And then what we're going to do is, let me just bring this in. We're gonna add another rectangle. How big is this guy? 24 by 78. Okay, bring him right here. And so it's gonna be 8. We might honestly only get done the home page today, guys. So we're already 15 minutes in. Okay, but we're getting close. We're getting close. Bring this guy. Okay. Add text. Okay. And what's this? Size 12. Let's make it 11. Normal. And this white. And this is going to be a text of current users, task connection. Okay, so this might be wrong as well. Task priority. You might have to do priority like this. A priority. Let's try this. Is it the other one? Okay, this is getting weird. Alright, so I figured it out. I apologize. So it actually was correct how I had it set up. So pretty much it was this option right here. This option. And the issue was I actually had this to users instead of tasks, when it should have been a list of all tasks, a custom filter that shows current tasks, user connection of all, contains logged in user, okay? Which means, perfect. So now what we're seeing is all the tasks associated to me, the logged in user. Let's add this circle here. Do they not have a circle? Come on, Adalo. Okay, I was about to say, what's it called? What? What? Okay, I'm confused. Alright, let's make this, let's make you something. Never use 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, guys. Is your text color. Shy away from that. I actually want to use 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay. So now, if I click preview, I should have a test that says high priority. It's a test. Let me get this current task name. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. testing. Okay, perfect. So now, so now what needs to happen is I need to group this and high priority. Okay, we're almost done, guys. And copy this. I'm gonna put it right next to it, and it's gonna be low, and it's gonna give me this purple in here. Okay, what we're gonna do is gonna add a condition. So this guy's only gonna show sometimes visible if current tasks priority name is equal to high priority, and this is gonna be change visibility, sometimes visible, and this is going to be current task priority name is equal to low priority. And just to test that, come into task, add a task. I don't know why this happens. Testing task 2, false, priority low, save. But when then a user connection pops up. Okay. Save. Okay, done. Alright. So, okay, perfect. It actually worked out great. Okay, so now lastly what we're going to do is we're going to come in here and we're going to click in action. We're going to add an action, and we're going to delete current task, right? And yeah, we're gonna try this. Boom. Okay, so we got this homepage up and running. We got what our tasks are gonna look like. In the next video, what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna create this little modal for creating a task, settings, edit account, and we should be good to go. So really excited. Glad you guys tuned in for 22 minutes, but let me go through and let's walk through what we have so far. So actually real quick, let me just add an icon, and let's just use this icon to log the person out. Actually, no. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click settings, and it's going to log out, and it's going to send me to login, and it's going to be instant. Okay, so what we have so far. Okay, so we got welcome to Enzo. Let's complete your daily test together. We got our login page. We got forgot password working. No, we don't have forgot password working yet. We have the login working though. We have sign up. So when a user signs up, they can sign up obviously. This login should be working here. So let me log in. Submit. Invalid password. Brings us into our home page, which we already have a task for myself on the home page, and we even have the ability to delete tasks. So yeah, let's keep building off this, and thank you so much for tuning in.